All right, everybody, what's up? Today I got a few errands to run. I'm gonna run to Walmart neighborhood. I've got to go to the pharmacy, and then I need to go by Dollar General to get a combination lock. And it's 3:07 in the afternoon. School's getting out, so I'm expecting traffic might be kind of bad, but I'll get there and get back before the 5 o'clock traffic hits. So now the way I'm going today, I'm going all the way down this road on the sidewalk, and it's the first time I've been down the sidewalk in a while, or all the way to the end in a while on my bike. Well, the other day I was driving down this road, and well, actually not the other day, yesterday, from the time I'm filming this video, and I was coming back, and I noticed there was about 3 or 4 places where there were chunks of sidewalk missing. Look at there, right in the middle of the sidewalk. There were chunks of sidewalk missing, and they had those little barricades up showing that that part of the sidewalk was closed. And that was on the side that I'm on now. But I'll cross on over to the other side of the street in a minute, and to avoid all that. But it's not, I mean, this isn't too long of a ride. It's about 8 miles total. So I'll probably pedal assist 4, and I'll pedal going up hills, and then I'll throttle on flat surface and down hills. Have plenty of battery to get there and back. And actually, the day I'm recording this video is the day I'm gonna upload it. I ran out of videos to upload. So I said, well, let me go pick all this stuff up on my bike and I'll record, so I'll have a video to upload. I'm gonna do a video shortly. I don't know, maybe try to work on it this weekend or something. I'll do a video on my phone holder. Oh, look at there, the sidewalk's out right there, isn't it? Let's see. How about we go over here? We'll go through these people's yard and go around the sidewalk. Well, they need to cut this grass. Oh goodness, look at this. Crosswalk closed. You see all that? So I'm gonna have to cross over right here. Let's see. Let's go on across. And there are no cars coming. I wanted to stay on that side for a while, but it don't look like I am. And it looks like when I come back, I'm gonna have to be on this side for a while. Because it's closed there, but I think it's also closed on down here or that might have been what I saw. See if you can go. I'll go back behind you. wanted to be on the other side because this side over here, going down this hill that we're fixing to go down, it looks smooth, but it is bumpy. It just vibrates you when you're going down it. And here it goes, all the bumps. But I will say this, it's nice outside today. It's almost kind of cool. It is. It's 88 degrees. Hell, I am in the shade, so it's a little cooler in the shade. He's doing a little yard work, isn't he? All right, so we got a cross right here. Let's see if anything's coming. Yes, it is. Let's go across. And there's a... All right, they're stopping. Thank y'all. I appreciate it. They let me go by. I'll show you what we ate last night. That's when I drove to get it. I didn't ride my bike. Car coming, but we got it. That's the police station right over there. You can see all the police cars right there. All right, so this building right here, that one right there, that's what we ate last night. We got it to go. Scott's Seafood. It's not bad. Their shrimp po' boys are good. All right, lady, I'm gonna go by. And then Walmart neighborhood is just right up here. I could have crossed back down that way some, but then I would have had to cross that road. This one I have where I can actually, they'll give me a light to go, a little safer. So we're just about there. And there is a line. 3 cars. Get behind this vehicle right here. All right, one's left, so we got 2. right, so we are done. Now we're heading back home, but we got one more stop to make at Dollar General. Got to get a combination lock. I think I sat in that line longer than it took me to ride my bike out here. But that's okay. Out in the fresh air. We'll go back the same way we came over here. How about we turn right here? We'll ride through the parking lot, police station. Not a big parking lot. We'll go through here, see what's going on. Looks like they're a lot of people here today. I don't know if you watched Duck Dynasty, but I know they did one episode where they rode around with one of the police officers here. I think they filmed right out here. So yeah, big police department, huh? Nah, it's not that big. This isn't a big city. So there's a Baskin Robbins over that way. Maybe one day we'll ride a bike over here and get some ice cream. So let's do that. And I think they have a combination lock at Dollar General. And there's cars coming. All right. Take the key out and get the
Hello. Hey, how are you? I'm good, and you?
So it's going to be where the school supplies are, I believe. There. All right, so whoop, almost dropped my phone. So we found a lock. I had to ask somebody to help me. And what do you know, that aisle I went down, it was there right in front of my face. So, all right. So let's head back to the house. I had my camera turned off when I went up to pay, and hello? Hey. I just left Dollar General, and I'm heading home. Yeah, I stopped by Dollar General to pick something up. Huh? The new one. You know, I passed right by it on the way to Walmart's. Talk clear so everybody can hear you. You're being filmed on YouTube. Bye. That was the wife wondering where I was. But what was I saying? I was saying that the lady in there asked me what that was on my chest. I got my GoPro mounted on my chest, on a chesty mount, and she was asking, does that keep up with your mileage? And I told her, no, it's a GoPro. And she still didn't know what it was. And I said, I video my rides. She said, oh, it's a video camera. I said, yeah. I said, I don't have it turned on right now. She said, oh, I don't care. So, evidently, you know, I know some people get all bent out of shape about being on camera. But I think for the most part, most of the people around here that live around here don't really care that much. And I'm sure there's some that do, but we are almost back. And I know I usually stop the video on up here when I turn down this other road, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here. We're almost to that road. If anything exciting happens between now and then, I'll post it. I'll leave the camera running. But I hope you enjoyed the ride. It was a nice day out here. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all later.